In today's video, we're going to take a first look at GPTranslate from StoreJExtensions, and I know that that's a change topic. Many of you are expecting a look at Easy Store from Joomla, but I had to switch up the topic today, and I'll explain that in a little bit. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to watch me work live stream number 256 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. Our video today is brought to you by our channel sponsor, MySites.guru. Head on over to MySites.guru. Get a free site audit. Oh, there's an echo. Okay. How about that? That probably, does that take care of the echo? Echo. All right. Sometimes I have no sound. It looks like now I have too much sound. Okay, that's good. All right, that's some adjustments from last week. Anyways, yeah, head on over to mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site. And while you're there, check out all the tools and information that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. Okay. All right, yes. So if you couldn't hear for the echo before, I know today I had all lined up for a look at Easy Store from Joomla, but the person who was going to do that is not working for Joomla anymore and didn't feel that they could do it without official representation or official relationship with them. So hopefully maybe someone from Joomla will join us for that, and we'll try that again. All right, but I do have something that you can do to look at Joomla. But first of all right, so I didn't really get to show this picture much last week, so let me just do this here, and I'm going to turn off my camera. This is a picture that I took a couple of weeks ago on our trip to the East Coast, and that ship there is the Bluenose 2, which is a rebuild of the Bluenose 1, which sank. But anyways, the Bluenose 1 is the boat that is on the back of every Canadian dime, on Canadian dimes. So it was really cool to see in person. This is in Lunenburg, as you can see. It was a beautiful day there. And yes, Bjorn, my new boat. Yeah, things are going so well, I bought a sailing boat. Listen, if things go really well, I will not be buying a sailing boat. I will buy, there's a lot of luxury yachts available now that have been seized from Russians, so maybe I'll pick up one of those. Anyways, so let's turn this camera back on here. Yeah, that was really nice. All right, now, so let's turn our attention to the screen, and there we go. All right, so first of all, we'll talk about Easy Store. I have a link to this video in the description below, and I'm just going to post this here for those of you that might like to see it. This is Matthew Taman, and he has a channel called Learn Joomla Fast. And I've actually just in the last month or so come to meet him and get to know him a bit more. And I'm hoping that maybe he will come on the channel sometime and interview him and hear about his Joomla story. Anyways, he has a 4-hour and 15-minute overview of Easy Store. They asked him, Joomla asked him to do a course for them on that. And so if you want to see everything about Easy Store, then there is something that you can watch, and I'll lay it out for you. Yeah, so his videos are really good. Now, next week, here's the thumbnail I'm working on. SmilePack. Tassos from tassos.gr is going to be here, and he's going to demonstrate his new extension, SmilePack. Now, it's been out for a couple of months. This is something I had lined up back in a couple of months ago when it first came out, and we've had it set, and Lord willing, it's going to happen next week. Watch Me Work live stream, and so that will be good. It's always nice to look at Tassos stuff, and he'll be demonstrating it. It means it will be good. All right, let me close a few tabs here. Remember, the link for this video is in the description below. All right. Now, so what are we going to look at today? We're going to look at GPTranslate. This is John Dagamore's newest extension. If you look at the JED, I think John's sitemap extension is like number 2 or 3 of all Joomla extensions for popularity or ranking. Hello, Michael, by the way. Thanks for coming on. And Mary's here. Bjorn. Edsa, hello. Edsa's on vacation. And I think that's everyone right now, and other people that are kind of lurking around. That's cool. So instead of having somebody who knows exactly what they're talking about, you get stuck with a first look. Hello, Ivor, in chat. With me, and we're going to figure out. So, learning from past mistakes, I'm going to do a bit of reading before we try to install this. I'm going to put it on my cybersalt.com site. Now, let me just get one thing going here. I instead of putting it on my live site, I'm going to put it on a staging copy. So I'm going to go to stage it, and I'm going to make a staging copy of the site. And that can run in the background while we take a look at this. I also want to just say this is a paid extension, GPTranslate. It is available for Joomla 5 and 4 and 3, which is very interesting because he has made this for Joomla 3 even after Joomla 3 being end of life. We saw 2 weeks ago when Yannick Gauthier demonstrated for command that he created that, and it works in Joomla 3, 4, and 5. So with the large number of people still using Joomla 3 out there, some developers are still putting their stuff out, even new stuff out for Joomla 3. So if you have a Joomla 3 site and you're watching this, then you could actually use this as well. All right, let's do some reading. GPTranslate for Joomla is a revolutionary multi-language solution to automatically translate your Joomla website thanks to the power of artificial intelligence and ChatGPT. Forget to manually translate your site using the Joomla multi-language system. GPTranslate is the most powerful and easiest multi-language solution that will do it for you. GPTranslate integrates with ChatGPT and Google AI to translate pages of your website and store translations in the database that can be edited, managed, and improved to reach excellent results. It's capable of using the ChatGPT and Google APIs for artificial intelligence to provide natural and accurate translations like never seen before. So, you know, listen, I was talking to Gunur, one of my staff, my team members, and man, AI is popping up everywhere. You got it in Canva. ClickUp now is offering it. It just everywhere is AI. It's getting to the point where I almost feel like if I go to McDonald's to use their little screen kiosk to get a snack, it's probably going to say, "Would you like artificial intelligence to pick something for you?" And then it probably, I don't know, maybe it'd scan a picture of me standing there and figure out my weight and adjust it or something. But anyways, it's everywhere. But one of the things that we know that ChatGPT is really excellent at is translation. Now, I mean, I would not want to translate directions for doing open heart surgery using ChatGPT to follow directions, but in that case, the person would be dead anyways if they required me to be doing it, even if I could follow the English instructions. But this certainly could be a huge time saver and something that if you know the languages that you are going to be translating into, you could review the content. Or if you've got content that isn't like super life-threatening, you could just go with it and see what happens. All right, so I have an account with ChatGPT, but today I'm going to try to set up Google AI. We'll see if he has instructions here or something. But all right, so ChatGPT requires an active plan, while Google AI is free to use. Thanks to the architecture of GPTranslate, you can save a significant number of ChatGPT credits. Indeed, translations are performed only once and then stored in a database. If translation for a given page already exists, it will be retrieved instantly without needing to perform the translation repeatedly. It supports more than 100 languages and adds the capability to read the page text aloud. So this could be very, very cool. All right, so functionalities. ChatGPT 3.5, 4, GPT 4.0, and then Google AI, save translations to database, save credits, yep. Manage translations to add, delete, and edit each single piece of text that has been translated on a page. Text analysis, each piece of text in a page is extracted and translated in the desired language. Multi-language URLs. GPTranslate is capable to generate different URLs and to translate metadata for each language to be indexed by search engines. Wow. Hey, if this does this, it'll be amazing. Not that I doubt John or anything like that, but we got two things ahead of us. If it will absolutely, if it does all this, great, and if I can figure it out during this live stream, it'll be wonderful. All right, auto translation, the text browser language of visitors based on the Joomla multi-language text reader. Also possible to read the page out aloud. It's possible to display GPTranslate as a floating widget or a standard Joomla module with multi-language flags. GDPR compliance, cookie-free, compliant with privacy laws and GDPR. Customizable style. Thanks to easy settings, it's possible to customize the style of the widget. All right, and so here's the product features, which you probably read here, and some screenshots, but we're going to get right into it. The price is €49 or 49.90 euros. And here we go. So I've already downloaded it to my browser, but just remember, it's available for 5, 4, and 3. And Bjorn says AI will not take over the world. It just helps mankind take the shortcut to it. Sure. It's some of the stuff that AI is doing right now is so crazy. It's like, no, you can never take over. I also like to. I saw a meme the other day saying that why we should be using artificial intelligence to do things like the menial tasks of life, so we can create art, instead of using it to create art while we do the menial tasks of life. All right, I've made my staged copy of my site here, so I'm going to log in, and we'll know that we're in the staging area of the site because up here in the URL it says stage it. Let's turn this into light mode, because not only is that a little bit nicer for following, but it creates a. I changed the light setting on my screen, and it makes it a little bit nicer for me live streaming. The light I have shining on my face, I turned way down. So Ivor said I just had a look at an AI auto-generate site maps for your website. Cool. Maybe we'll check that out. All right, so we're going to go system, and we're going to go install extensions, and I've got it right up here. There we go. Oops, upload there, sorry. And let's install it. If it takes too long to figure out the Google AI, then I will just switch to ChatGPT. All right, so here's the system plugin, modules installed, everything's in there. So to look for his stuff, we were going to go to components, and there it is up at the top, GPTranslate. And let's see, the module is disabled, and the functionalities, we're in the control panel. Let's go to configuration and see what we've got here. Registration email address for updater. Okay, I have an email. I will put that in later. Translate engine. All right, so let's go Google AI. Original language. Yeah, okay. Did we not? Oh, we don't even have to put in something for Google AI. Interesting. All right. So if you're going to use ChatGPT, that's where you put your API key. And where you would select what GPT you're using. Here is the prompt that he's got set in there. All right, but I'm just gonna save that configuration. So I need that in there later. Let's go to Google AI, and here is our option. Yes, Jeff, this was supposed to be Easy Store, and I just explained that the fellow that was going to do the tour for us is not working for Joomshaper anymore, and he didn't feel comfortable continuing to do it. So if you look here, I'm going to just give this to you right now. Here is a link to a video on Easy Store. So from Matthew Taman. So if you watch the beginning of the replay of the video of this live stream today, you'll see. But now I had to switch the topic, and sorry about that. So it's not a bait and switch; it's just a switch. So we're looking at GPTranslate, which automatically translates your website into other languages. Apparently, we're just checking it out. Now, so here are options. Let's see here. Translate engine. Okay. Google AI. Original language is English. Detect the current language. Automatically select the current page language based on the HTML tag and language attribute. This can be useful if you use the Joomla multi-language system and you want to add GPTranslate to it. All right. So this is just an English site, so I don't have that. Detect original language. If you're using multi-language, I'm not. Detect browser language on your first visit. Okay. Auto-translate detected language. Yes. So let's say yes to that in the browser. Oh, maybe I don't want to say that right now. Let's not throw it off. Rewrite language URL. The translated pages will have a specific URL corresponding to the translated language. This can be useful for visitors to have URLs that identify the current language. To make search engines index real multi-language URLs, you need to install a Joomla language pack for each language you want to automatically translate with GPTranslate. Enable the Joomla system language filter plugin and enable the auto translate. Okay, so we got some multilingual stuff that we want to set up. Alternative flags. You can select an alternative version of the flags for some languages. Okay, if we highlight that, no, okay, that's cool. All right, enabled languages. Choose enabled languages for content translation. So why don't we do? We got English, French, German, Italian. Let's just go with what he has already. Spanish. Norwegian, I know that's going to be a favorite there, and Swedish, that's what we want to do too, right, for everyone here. And I think that covers our languages here in chat. CSS selector. You can specify CSS selector for HTML elements that will be excluded from the translation. So he's got something in there. So we'll leave that. Words for elements to exclude. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Hi, FJ. Yeah. So we got Norwegian there. I forgot. I remember that now that you have a Norwegian background, along with the others here. And words. You can specify a comma-separated list of words for elements that will be excluded from the translation. Yes. Bjorn is Norwegian, and so is Ivor. Delay between requests. Let's go. Well, hey, listen, we'll just jam the site here, right? I've got this on my stage site anyway, so we're going to save the configuration. All right, so the reader responsive voice API key. Okay, so let's see. To use the responsive voice audio engine with certain languages such as Greek, Arabian, etc., you need to specify an API key. You can register your own free or paid API key for the responsive voice. If sufficient, use the free one included in the plugin. Okay, so this one's free. You can pick the gender of the voice that is reading. Reading speed, normal, okay. CSS, a bunch of things here. Good. Appearance, text color, background, yeah, okay. That's for the module, I think. All right, so now we just have to figure this out. Let's take a look at some screenshots, see what I'm maybe missing. Okay, so we have some statistics for languages there. Okay, that's cool. We've got translations. Oh, page link translation. GPT translations. All right, so when a page gets translated, somewhere we're going to be seeing where that is. Great. Here's our, oh, wait, edit translation for, oh man, there's a bunch of stuff that we're going to get in. Let's see, what's the URL? Oh, we don't see the URL in that one. Page translation and process. Okay. And reading text in process. Okay, let's see what's happening. Cassiopeia. Oh, we've got a module up here. Oh, there we go. Oh. All right. And there's the mod. Okay. Oh, different versions of the module. So, good clue. So let's go to System and Site Modules. I'm going to sort the ID here. GPTranslate. And I'm going to publish it. And the position I want to publish it to is probably, let's put on the sidebar right for now. Save and close. Now, if I preview this, I don't have a sidebar in the front page, but I can go to NetShaker. And if we scroll, oh, here's the GPT translate module. Uh-oh. All right, let's see what I'm missing here. Sidebar right. Okay, conditions. The module will be shown on all pages. Notes, advanced, permissions, no, module. Translates, this module displays the GPT Translate widget. All right. But there is no widget there. There's just that. Oh, down here in the bottom left. Look at that. Oh. So maybe I need to apply that to a position that's hidden, and that will show up anywhere. Let's just take a look quickly. Oh, I can't. Okay, I can't resist the temptation. Yeah, Derek. Hi, Derek. We need translation from Microsoft error message to plain English. Yeah. All right. Well, this page is in English. Down in the bottom left, I'm going to use this widget, and let's make it Norwegian. You're kidding me. In module advanced. Look at that. I think that just translated. Let's see, module advanced. No, that's just the normal stuff. No, it's this widget back down here. But look at that, everyone. I think that this just translated my site into Norwegian. That's insane if it just did that. Now let's just click here on this article, and it's automatically translating the first time here. Oh, by the way, Michael, I still haven't sent this money in your name, but I will remember. Okay, so it's not translating images, but check that out. Even all the text up here. All right, let's try something I would reckon. Okay, I reckon French. This is amazing. Yeah. Can you imagine what this means for our sites? Now, let's see. If I click forgot login, I'm on French here, and there it is. Obviously, oh, something's not working there. And let's go home. Yeah, that's the other thing too. You always were. I was I watched an amazing video that I was going to share on a newsletter that I have, but there's people making exclamations in other languages, so I'm gonna have to apologize to them. Now, the translation is not here because it is. I don't have the sidebar on here. Yeah, only the images. Images are not translated. But then, so what I can do is here, go back to GPTranslate, and I'm going to put this module position sidebar. I'm going to let's put it in debug. All right. Oh, and I'm going to hide the title. and refresh. Aha, there we go. And it translates it into French. Folks, I think this is amazing. This is amazing. Let's translate it. Stefan will probably come on in a while. Let's translate to Swedish. Just absolutely amazing. And it goes through, translates the page. Let's take a look at this one here. My mind is just blown. Can this really be working just like this? I mean, is this where our websites are at now? Wow. Wow. Oh boy. Hold on for I'm just speechless. You know, I was thinking this just, you know, look, here I am in the back end. I've got, you know, I'm moving around doing stuff. I've got 4 AI here from Weebler that I can do artificial intelligence stuff. And now we've got this. Hey Pat, nice to see you today. She says that Pat says that's so fast. Tennessee offers translation services at a price to towns and countries, but this will do away with needing that. Exactly. Am I Yeah. Oh, Imran, your site. Imran, Bengali is your language, right? Is that you need to type it in English though? Hello, Imran. Mike, am I suffering imposter syndrome? Yeah. All right. Hey, let's play around. All right, so that's okay. That's Imran's here. So let's go to Community Builder. No, sorry. I honestly, I'm so amazed. My brain is just going a million miles an hour right now with amazement at this. All right, so GPTranslate. Configure. Oh, look, we have stats too. Oh, I love stats. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. All right, Tim, get a grip on yourself. Languages. Bengali. All right. That's save. All right. Let's go back to our page here. Let's go to the home page. And then, oh, I lost my little, is that caching down here? Control-Shift-R. Oh, maybe debug wasn't the best place to put that. All right, we'll work on that. So let's go to NetShaker. Oh, all right. Bjorn says there's position and configuration. Oh, and I probably wiped that out then, eh? How do you like that? Reader. Where do we find that? Position, appearance, okay. Oh, reader button position top. Okay. Did it just get moved? No, it's not at the top. All right, we'll find it here though. Top. Did I? Oh, okay, let's see. Position, bottom left, top. All right, so we can put it bottom left, bottom right, top right. Opening direction, top. Okay, we got that there. Flag path to enable drop down. Position, yeah, we've got top, but position, yeah, but it's the module. So let's just go save and configuration. We'll figure this out. System. Sorry, modules. Yeah, content, site modules will go there that way. GPTranslate. It was there. It was there. conditions. Why did it stop showing? Is there no debug? All right, just for now, we can go footer. We just need to have the module assigned somewhere so that it will actually be triggered, and then it'll show up where they're. Jeff, is there support for other media assets, images, audio, video to be swapped based on the language? I don't think so. I've not seen anything that would look like that. That probably would have to, although there you can change the content, and we're going to take a look at that. You can let's see, because when we were reading through, it says if a translation already exists, it skips it. It doesn't go through. So then you can go in and edit. I just want to get this thing going here. Really? Isn't that crazy? Oh, let's just go to support. Oh, I know what. Here's the problem. I'm not in the staging site anymore because I clicked the home link. That's why. There we go. Now we are up at the top right. There we are. It's there. All right. So for those of you who weren't here at the beginning, I made a staging site. I used StageIt, made a copy of my site for just doing this experimenting on. And so when I clicked this link to go to the home here, I ended up on the live site. So here we go. There's Bengali. That's translated. There. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. So amazing. So if we go to the home page, this is I am gobsmacked. I am literally gobsmacked. Oh my goodness. This makes me want to shout it from the rooftops. Whew. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's go back and play. We're going to go to components and GPTranslate. Now we've got a bunch of stuff here. We've got 9 active translations, got some stats. Here's some of the different languages. One is unpublished. Interesting. There's none unpublished. We've been playing around with these languages. All right, so now if we click on translations. All right, now here's the pages that are translated. This might be, Jeff, where we can edit things. So let's see. I'm going to click this box here. Let's take a look at the, I'm going to have to do it in something that's, all right, let's just do it in French. I can fake it in French a little bit. So I click this box, I edit the translation, and here is all of the text on it. All right. All the different places. So if we help people and businesses achieve, here's the actual text. Here's what's translated. So I could read this, and if the French was incorrect, I could fix something, and then up here I could save it. There's the URL. Okay. There is the original text. Okay, this is for the links and everything. I don't see anything in here for changing the images. All right, so it's just so it looks like there's original text. This is it looks like it's handling paragraphs. All right, let's take a look at another page. That's more of an article. So Happy New Year, Shaker. Well, let's just do this. Swedish. Okay, Happy New Year, everyone. If I click on this, here's the translations. All right. Interesting blog. My holidays extend an extra week. So here's everything. Migrate me for support. Okay, that's translated text. That's the text that's inside of a link. But I don't see anything for changing the actual content or the images. So that would be probably maybe the next thing. But yeah. Very cool. All right, what else do we have here? Yeah, the edit facility, it gives it a completeness. Yeah, you can do what you want with it. All right, so, and then you've got, you can filter by the translation engine that did these things. Definitely. Let's just refresh here. Here is this is the page that we're playing around with on here, by the way. Control V. If you want to go to have a place where you can select different things. Yeah, you can't change the text of the image as a background, but as Jeff asked, I think that's good because you'd be able to be swapped. So I suppose it could look at all of the images on a page, and I mean, this is me, a non-programmer, but if it took those images and made them into a folder copy them in the folder based on the language, you could then go in and replace them with the proper text. Although, having said that, here's an image that has a little bit of English in it. Yeah, then you need images for all languages. Yeah, it'd be crazy. But let's suppose you change practice where you use images that don't have languages in them, and you could actually even have text over top, right? And then, so if I had text that was overlaid on top of this, it would get translated. So then you wouldn't have to do that with your images. That would be one approach to this. Notice down here the Google, this from my Google business page reviews, that is not on the site, so it doesn't get translated. Imran says, actually, neither Google, Bing, nor AI can do a minimum level translation in Bengali from English. All right, so, well, yeah. But you know what? Have you ever read? I mean, we're used to. I'm used to going to somewhere that's in English, and it's being roughly translated, and I think, oh, this is not an English first speaker, but you can sort of get the facts out, right? Then, so why not? Other people can have that same experience. They go to my website and they go, oh, I don't think this guy is a native Bengali speaker, but you know what? I've got the gist of it. Let's see, what we got happening here? There, so that page gets translated, and you think, okay. So here's an example where I've got English on a image here. I could just put 250 and an exclamation mark, and everyone would know. Yeah, overlay text is only an image with a paragraph over it. Yes. And Michael tries to avoid images containing that. Yep. Let's switch back to, let's do German. Let's throw some more stuff in there. Just amazing. We'll do Spanish. Yeah. So, you know, you start to use images that, you know, like thumbnails, that would be challenging, but more images that you think that are not, I mean, I've never even thought about it, really. It's not like, oh, what image should I use so that it works for other languages? I mean, it just opens up a whole new thing. So we'll have some more pages in here. Yeah. And, all right, let's explore this setting where we can have different URLs. All right, based on language. Yeah, no, I know, Imran. It's okay. Yeah, Bengali rules are very different. All right, so in the back end here, let's go components, GPTranslate. And the active language, unpublished, da 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 da. Okay. Is this only Google Translation? Maybe ChatGPT can do images. Yeah. I mean, I suppose we could reach the level where AI sees an image and sees what language the site is in and looks and auto translates. There's apps for that, but that's pretty crazy. That would be. I mean, who knows? Who knows where it's going? All right. So configuration. Let's see here. Flags. Okay, so we've got our options here. Translator. All right. Detect current language. Automatically select the current language based on the HTML tag and lang attribute. This option can be useful if you use the Joomla multi-language system and you want to add GPTranslate to it. All right. Automatically select the original page language based on the HTML tag and lang attribute. This option overrides the original language and can be useful if you use the Joomla multi-language system you want GPTranslate to add. Okay. Let's see. Rewrite language URL. The translated pages will have a specific URL corresponding to the translated language. Yeah, I mean, AI, you're right, Bjorn. AI can look at an image and see what's in it, so it's possible it could do that. Imran said you worked with Google Translation up to level 6 and edited the transition on a regular basis. Cool. Translation, probably mean. The translated page was, okay. To make search engines index real multi-language URLs, you need to install a Joomla language pack for each language you want to automatically translate with GPTranslate. Enable the Joomla system language filter plugins and enable the auto translate detect language option. All right, let's do this. Okay, so to make search engines index real multi-language URLs, you need to install a Joomla language pack for each language you want to automatically translate. All right. And enable the Joomla system language. Joomla system language filter plugin and enable the auto translate detected language option. So auto translate. Yeah. All right. Auto translate. We say that. Yeah. We have to go to plugins. Let's open a new tab. Plugins. And it told us that we need to the system language filter. All right, we turn that on. All right, so now the URL up at the top is Cybersalt. Excuse me. Cybersalt StoreJExtensions. All right, that's the default language. So if someone goes to StoreJExtensions, it's going to end up at EN. All right, now let's go to French. Now it still says EN up there, so let's see what I need to do here. Oh, rewrite language URL. I have to say yes. Rewrite default language URL. If enabled, the default language will also have specific URLs for untranslated pages corresponding to the original language, which can be indexed by search engines. All right, I have to try to understand that one again, but let's go here. All right, so let's go. Oops, don't use that link, Tim. All right, here we are. English, French. Oh, cyber. Oh, here we go. All right, so this, however, right now is okay. So let's see here. Maybe that support page is just not working. See, what's happening is it is not working in the subfolder. All right. Up here in the URL, it says cybersalt.com/stageit/en Joomla monthly Joomla management web. So this cannot find the link because the FR is not being put at the end of the URL there. I can probably fix that using a base ref URL in htaccess. Let me do that. Let's just try that. And then give me a second here and see if I can do that. I'm going to go on off camera here to my hosting account and let's see. I'll show you what I'm going to try when I get there. List accounts, cybersalt.com. All right, so here we go. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go into File Manager, cybersalt.com, sorry, public HTML, StoreJExtensions, and htaccess, and go edit. And then I want to find the base ref here. There'll be a line for it. Okay, rewrite base. I think if I go /StageIt, all right, so in the htaccess file, I'm saying, hey, the base URL of this particular site is /StageIt. Let's save that. And now if we go back here, let's go to English. Let's see if that, let's see here. StageIt, all right. All right, now if I switch this to French, aha, all right, so, did I, let's see. No. So with this little, because I'm running it in a subfolder, that's not working. All right, so that's fine because I'm just testing things here. We see the URL does change. The 404 page, so without StageIt in there, oh, and that's got EN NetShaker. All right, so this is probably mostly, hold on, I can't see chat here. Yeah. Hey, Vinny. The fellow that was going to do the tour of Easy Store is no longer working for Joomshaper and didn't feel comfortable doing it in an unofficial capacity. So we swapped it over to GPTranslate from StoreJExtensions, and which is, it sounds crazy, but just automatically translates your pages into whatever languages you select. And right now I'm trying to get it so that it works with the different URLs. And I'm not sure if it does that. So So I'm working in a staged copy of my cybersalt.com site. In language switch modules, turn off language code and URL. All right, let's see. I want the URLs rewritten though. I think I'm gonna try this. Okay, let's just try this. Save. I'm gonna go stage it. English, NetShaper. Okay. No, something is not. Is that the browser settings? No. Oh, it might be because my. Oh, you know what? It could be because my browser is set to. And my browser, of course, is set to English. And that's why up here it is. When I click here, it's going to English. Stage it English support. That's the error page. Go to German. It's still putting English in, and it's got the staged in there wrong. So why don't we try this for this next part here? Let's go to J5. Let's go to, this is a brand spanking fresh new Joomla 5 install. So we're going to go here. We're going to go and system, install extensions. Whoops, that's manage. Okay, and we're going to put chat GPT. We're going to put browse for a file. StoreJExtensions. And there it is there. All right, we know how to set it up really fast here. Okay, so we're going to go to the module. We're going to publish it. I think we must have to sign it somewhere, right? Maybe not. Debug that. Menu. Okay, that's great. You say assignment, all pages, save and close. All right. Configuration. We're going to use Google AI. Right. Now, we want to rewrite the language URL. Don't want to auto-translate the detected language because, all right. Down here, we had some things selected. So let's continue to select Bengali. And we had Norwegian. And we have Swedish. Okay. All right. We save that. We preview the page. Here's our language down the bottom left for now. Oh, you know what? We need to do this. We go to Home Dashboard, install. Oh, that's all right. Blog sample data. We'll install that there. Okay. All right. Now, when we refresh, and now let's translate this page into French. Michael says, little tip, if you upload an image to Google Drive, then open with Google Docs, it will extract any text from the image that you can, and then you can translate the text. Cool. All right, so now we've got French here. And look, we have French in the URL up here. Aha. So if I select here, you've got French index.php sample layout. So it is working fine. The problem before was because it's running in the subfolder, which maybe I'll point out to, because there are some Joomla sites that run in subfolders. So I'll point that out to to John. But check this out. So now we have all these links here. Let's do Bengali. And we've got the language code in there. Oh, Mary's been using Windows Power Tools to extract text from images and has been a game changer for you. Great. Yeah, it's so amazing what we've got available to us for tools now. All right, so that seemed to be working fine. Let me just see here, and maybe Imran, maybe you all can help test here. Let's see. Detect browser language. Now, I'm going to put that. Auto translate detected language. Yeah, let's do that. If enabled, the default language will also have specific URLs for untranslated pages. Bjorn uses snippets to extract text. Oh, toys. Oh, power tools. Power tools. Okay, yeah. Bjorn. Imran, would you go to... If you haven't been here yet, Imran, would you go to that URL and tell me if it automatically shows you the Bengali translation page? If you would do that, because your browser would be set for that, I think, right? Or if anybody else wants to go, if your browser is set for a default language that I've got selected, if you want to just check it out, go to that URL and let's see if it automatically picks that. Oh, by the way, didn't know how to translate Lorem Ipsum. I didn't even turn on the translation plugin that it was supposed to. Oh, you're on mobile now. Okay, well, if you're able to do it, great. If not, in the meantime, let's just check back here. Let's go to GPT. See here, it said... Here it says to enable the, I'll just wait till you all test. All right. I see some more active translations there. There's a German translation. I can go here and see the pages that have been translated. And waiting to see. Ivor says you got it to in English, but maybe your browser's set to English. Not 100. Bjorn says not 100%, but agrees. Is that appears that you typed, or did it just show up in Norwegian first? I wonder if I can, let's try this. I go to here. Oh, your browser's set to English. Okay. Let's go to here. Oh, I'm going to set this to Canadian and French. No, maybe I don't. English. Okay. Uh-oh. I didn't want to do that. Let's go gear. Canadian. Page settings. I want to change the settings. See if I go French. That's in French. But Bjorn says, welcome to Joomla and Cassiopeia shouldn't be Yes, so it's again, it's not going to translate perfectly, but it might be good enough. English. Let's see here. Personal feed settings. Personalize. Oh, look, I can remove all of these things here. Alright, let's not get distracted by shiny things here. Just keep switching the page setting back to there. So let's refresh. Let's go to, or and get to settings for the browser. Here's what we want. Languages. Alright, so preferred languages. I'm going to add a language. I want to see it in French. I prefer French. We'll just do French. Add. Oh, sorry, I'm off the screen here. Ivor says not perfect even in a world language like Norwegian. French. Websites will appear in the first language unless they support to reorder preferences, offer translations. Select more actions next to language. Okay, writing assistance. This could be tricky. The danger too is that I'll get my browser switched over to more actions next to a language. More actions. Move to top. All right, so this should give me French first. All right. So that is giving me English. Let's just see here. If I go, I wonder if this will pick French first. It did. Look at that. I set my browser to French, and it went to the French URL first. Now, lorem ipsum, it does not translate, and it keeps. I have to keep switching to French. Okay. So I wonder why that does not stay. But that said, I've also done this. So let's put this off to the side. We're supposed to do system and extensions, plugins, filter, and turn that on. Now, we go to Cassiopeia Home here. French. No. Now it's forgetting. All right. So for setting up the URLs, there's something here I not figured out. Let's see here. Let's just make this so you can see everything. So let's just go back here to components, GPTranslate, configuration. Why is it not following through? If enabled, the original language chosen in the option. All right. Let's see if that changes it. All right, so we'll go to the home here. We go to sample layouts and blog. And then we will go to French. All right, let's translate it. We'll go to this tag here. No, it's not staying. All right. I'm sure this is just figuring out the setup of it. Because what we want then next is a sitemap that's going to pick up all these different ones and put them out. Okay, and Bjorn's using Arc browser. Use split view to see things on left and right side. Cool. About your home page. French. But this is not remembering. Yes. I'm gonna have to ask him about that. Automatically select the original page language, HTML tag and language. All right. So that was automatically this option overrides the original language and can be useful if you use the Joomla multi-language system. All right, detect current language. Maybe I should say yes to that. I don't think that I haven't seen anything for URL customization here. This is just the settings that we have here. Enable a reader. Hey, let's enable this reader here. We haven't tried that. And the appearance, let's put in the top right. Uh-oh. Oh, I changed something. There's the login. Let's go French. Let's just tag. No, it still went to English. And we're still getting en /en index.php /en. So I'm going to chalk this up to something that I don't know how to set up, but I'm going to learn it because that would be great. That would be great. All right. First of all, let me just move this down. I'm going to remove French from my browser just so this doesn't throw me off. later on. What do you got there for that link? Yeah, it's yeah. Who knows? I think it's probably me not knowing quite what to set up here. All right, but all right. Well, stay tuned to the channel. I'll figure out how to set that up. I'll have to do a video on how to set that up because I'm super impressed by this, as you can tell. So we go home. That's the one on StoreJExtensions. And even without the URL stuff, right? Yeah, something. I've got something wrong somewhere. But otherwise, this is amazing. All right, so let me just undo my language stuff here and save that. And now we'll just go like that. And there we go. All right, so French. Now, see, that's working just great. So I'll figure this out. So we go Spanish. The page is translated into Spanish. I click on a link to book an appointment. And, oh, lost the language thing. Oh. Oh, look at that. That link is a hard-coded link on my site. Aha. Whichever one of my co-op students did that for me. That, maybe that has to, maybe that's a page builder thing. No worries though. Because, yeah, all right. Well, let's just try a different link. Yeah, that still is not right. Oh, yeah, because you know what I have to do? I have to turn off the language filter. Plug in. There we go. Yes, it does have text-to-speech. In fact, let's see here. All right, so that's Spanish there. Oh man, all these top links. Oh, that's services. There you go. That's translated into Spanish. So that's going well. And my support request form gets converted. Nice. All right. So, hey, I think this is great. I'm going to ask John for to watch this, or I'll meet up with him and just I'll put out a video on how to set this up for multi-language URLs, because I think that would be good. Unless we're missing something here. Let's see. Yeah. Let's yeah, we'll figure this out more. I've tried to get John to come on the live stream, but I think that he is uncomfortable with his English. I think. Or uncomfortable with coming on. Maybe his English is fine. But he doesn't want to be on the video. But that's all right. We'll figure it out. The form placeholders are not translated. Yeah, okay, let's see here. Where are we here? Yes, I see. Yep. Yep. Imran, John Dagamore, who is the developer of this. Yeah. So there's always going to be it's going to be drawbacks, or maybe there's other things. And he this is the second version that he's come out with. He let me know a couple of weeks ago. Actually, it was on holidays when he emailed me and said he had this new extension. He'd like me to check it out, so I looked. Download of the extension is right here. It's a paid extension. And let's see here. I'm just going to... All right, so here's check out Bjorn's new site here. He linked last week. So Lima, good to see you today. Let's just check this out quick. Bjorn shared that last week. This is your new dev site. Very cool. That looks good. Looks really good. Very, very nice. Need a little bit of padding here, or margin, whichever it is on this side here. But, yeah, I know, but it's your dev site, so I just mentioned that to point out. But yeah, very cool. Looks good. Nice work. Okay, so pretty amazing. Okay. Hey, we haven't tried the reader yet. Translator, translation engine, reader, yes. And I'll leave that auto. Save that. We go here. We refresh. Now, I think I have sound on the page here, so that's desktop audio. I think. Let's see.
Asterisco. Asterisco Fontosom Free 6. 5,2 by @Fontosom, https. Fontosom. Asterisco license, https. Fontosom. License, free.
The code.
Icons. CC by 4,0, fonts. Silo FL 1,1, code. MIT license. Asterisco Copyright 2024 Fonticons, Inc. Asterisco. Font Family. Bar. Style Family, Fontosom 6 free. Punto y coma. Font weight. Bar. Style 900. Llave que cierra.
Here, I think it's reading code. Let's switch to English and have it read and see what it's saying.
Font Awesome Free 6.5.2 by @FontAwesome, https. FontAwesome.com license, https. FontAwesome.com license, free. Icons. CC by 4.0. Fonts. Silo FL 1.1, code. MIT license. Copyright 2024 font.
All right, it's reading CSS or something. Now, let's try page. Let's see here. Let's try this page. See if it can read this.
Font Awesome Free 6.5.2 by @FontAwesome, https. Font
But you know what? I've got down in the accessibility reader here, we can text to speech. You can. Oh, this pop-up is not showing on the. Oh yeah, here it is. Here, text to speech.
Text to speech. Text to speech. To celebrate Watch Me Work live stream number 250, we gave away $50, $75, and $125 for winners to use towards their favorite Joomla paid extensions or services from CyberSalt.
Okay, so if we
Font Awesome Free 6.5.2 by Font Awesome, HTTPS.
all right, so that's not quite reading it. Imran wants to hear the Bengali. Here we go.
তারা চিহ্ন ফন্ট অ্যাওয়াসম ফ্রি 6.5.2 বাই ফন্ট অ্যাওয়াসম https ফন্ট অ্যাওয়াসম কম তারা চিহ্ন লাইসেন্স https ফন্ট
All
অ্যাওয়াসম
right, there you go. Well, I have been, I guess I've sort of been avoiding figuring out multi-language sites and setups in Joomla, but this is going to make me, because I want my sites translated like this and have their URLs. Why the heck wouldn't I? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is great. Thank you, John, for an awesome extension. And very, very cool. All right. Well, so I will find out how to set that up, and then do a video on it, because that is cool. All right. Well, let's wrap up the. Let's go to our Joomla 5 site here. Let's go to System. Oh, Visual Sitemaps. Sure, let's do that. That's what. Thank you for reminding me. So we're going to go to. Let's see what Ivor is sharing with us here. Visual Sitemaps. Let's play with this. Auto generate. Okay. I don't want to get caught on the music and get a copyright strike. So let's just try this for free. 25 screenshots a month, absolutely free. Work email. Tim@cybersalt.com. I'm going to go Bitwarden, generate a password, and paste that in there. And I'm going to sign up. And save that there. Now, they just sent me a confirmation email, so I will click on that in another screen here and do my email verification. Now I can log in. I'm Tim Davis. What's my role? Let's not do that. Who am I? I'm Jean Valjean. I'll be a consultant. CyberSalt is my workspace name. All right. A new crawl. Yes, please. Okay, new crawl. Let's close that for now. Let's go www.cybersalt.com. And let's crawl now. Let's see what it finds. There we go. It's crawling my site. Status. Pages crawled. A pulsing yellow must mean it's in progress. Let's refresh. Okay. Let me close my window over here. It's crawled one page. It's estimating 31 pages. One of 25 pages for the free plan. Let's see what are they charging here? 19 a month. You can crawl 1,000 pages. Maximum sitemap size 500. I'll be interested to see an example. Ivor, do you have an example we can look at of one that is done for one of your sites? That'll be fun to see. All right, in the meantime, let's go J5 here. We're going to go to install extensions. We're going to install from the web, and we're going to look at the newest extensions here. I haven't done this in weeks. All right. Hikashops, right? That's how it's pronounced. Hikashop, integrating with the new Joomla task scheduler, the Hikashop team has developed a new plugin allowing you to precisely plan tasks for mass actions. All right, cool. Here's tasks to export reports. All right, so that's cool to see. If you look at Maintenance Monday, how to turn off the Joomla update notifications, like notifications of a new Joomla version. Then I can. Anyways, we're going to see more and more people developing things for that. Let's see here. Admin notes. Simple Joomla chatbot module for admin developers. They can discuss issues directly from the back end. This module works in Joomla 4 and 5. Let's see. Let's go here. Open a new tab. It's a paid download. Simple Joomla chatbot module for admins and developers. They can discuss issues directly from the back end. So, back end chat for developers. Okay. Easy log viewer. Let's see here. Open that. The administrator module shows a list of Joomla log files and PHP error log if accessible. Log files can only be viewed and managed by administrators with core admin access. The files can partially be viewed, downloaded, or deleted. Oh, look! Oh, cool! Look at your logs right inside. Oh, I'm interested in that. Nice. Okay. Let's check this out. Recruitee for Joomla. Do you need a fast and simple way to show your job opportunities from Recruitee? Oh, this is a plugin for Recruitee. Must be another site where you can post things. Recruitee. I've never seen that. Let's see. Recruitee. All right. So here's if you're posting jobs and you want to have them displayed, then you can use that module. Oh, crawl pages. All right. It looks like my sitemap is done. Thanks, Ivor, for posting a thing there. Ah, this is what it does. No, this is a way to visualize how your content is laid out from the home page. Maintenance Monday link, yeah. Oh, okay. Interesting. So you can, yeah, I can visualize how your site is. So from here you can get to Watch Me Work live streams, services. Okay. Ah, very interesting. Oh, that's cool. And you can expand. This is helpful because we were just talking the other day about where things are. Yeah, kind of neat. If you had more pages, you'd see more. I have 628 pages, so it would get into more rows. But yeah, thanks for sharing that, Ivor. That's cool. All right, let's go back here. Oh, GPTranslate. We just looked at that. Yeah. Auto message sends emails to registered users each time a new article is published. Open a new tab. Okay. Every time a new article is published, so new articles published, it emails. The email, okay. So people could, oh, that's Console Goo. Man, he does a lot of stuff. He does a lot of stuff. Lots of handy little things like that. Send anything to Telegram. Supports Joomla 5, 4x, and 3x. I have been watching, I joined Telegram recently to get news on the war. Unfiltered news on the war. Mostly video and stuff like that from a channel I was watching. They share it, so... I understand the need to not have like super graphic stuff on available at all times everywhere, but I also, when I watch the news and they tell me, when I watch the news and horrible things are blurred out, I think it does a disservice because it keeps us from reacting more emotionally to the news and forming an opinion and being supportive of the actions that need to be taken. If you see something horrible that a group is doing in the world and you think, oh, that is not right, that shouldn't be, and you're shocked by it, I think that's better than if someone just says, oh, we've blurred this out, it's a horrible thing. Some people can imagine, but I just think sometimes outrage and shock is what we need to experience to really take action on some of the things in the world that should not be the way that they are. That's just an opinion. I realize that that's pretty extreme in one sense, and I'm sure someone could explain lots of reasons why things should be tampered down or censored or whatever. I get it. But just a second, I gotta tell this guy here. This guy's texting me about something. You're right after this guy needs one of a friend and a client. He needs an IP cleared on it. Okay, so anyways, I just think that. All right. I could elaborate on it, but I also acknowledge that there's good reasons for not showing some things. Anyway, so Telegram. You want to send something to Telegram? Powerful module, free download, enables you to seamlessly share content from your website directly to Telegram. You can effortlessly send text messages, images, and even entire web pages to your Telegram contacts or channels. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm not on Telegram, but maybe that would be good. I know there's a Joomla Telegram group. Oh, what else we got here? School management system for Joomla. Oh, that's interesting. It's free download. School management system for Joomla is a Joomla extension designed for use on your school's Joomla website. It features 3 dashboard panels for students, teachers, and parents. You can manage students, teachers, and parents, as well as academic sessions like years or sessions, departments, categories, shifts, classes, subject, exam marks. Teachers have the option to manage attendance and exam marks for their classes and subjects. Students and parents are able to check attendance reports, exams. Wow. That sounds incredibly detailed. And it's free. Let's go to the demo. I'm just curious. That is pretty big. That's a pretty big extension for free. My only concern would be, oh, here we go. Let's see the pricing. Okay, no support. Okay, so that's good. They are offering paid versions, which is good, because that, if it was only free, I could not see how that would be sustainable. But there is all right, Jew expert. Uh-oh. I just realized that I had live top chat on. Things were quiet for a while. I think I've seen everybody's chats, though. If I missed something, I think everything was going along. Anyways, live chat, forgot to. I did check my volume today, and it was turned down from last week. But that's how I end up with the changes with the echo at the beginning. And make web pages instantly. WebSim AI. Yeah, the old AI people they're coming for our jobs. What was it? Someone shared a link saying that it was beginning. This is a while ago, and someone was advertising, I build AI websites for $45. And so I commented, I fix AI websites. Content timeline. I'm surprised that's new, unless they've redone it and come out with Joomla 5. Jux. Last updated June 1st. Date added May 31st. Okay. I've seen this at work on a site, and it's a nice layout. It is a very nice layout there. Okay, so Joomla 4 and 5. Wheel of Fortune. What the heck is that? Is this Pat Sajak's new project now that he's retired? Introducing a new Joomla extension for Membership Pro, Wheel of Fortune. This innovative engaging tool is designed to captivate your customers and boost your sales by adding an element of excitement and chance to the shopping experience. Interactive spin to win. The Wheel of Fortune extension offers an enticing spin to win feature where customers can spin a colorful animate wheel to receive discount coupons as special. Oh, that's cool. And this is, what is this? I've not seen that there's a games thing. Let's see the demo here. Okay. It's a lot to fill. Oh, feeling lucky, top right here. We click that, and we spin the wheel. I don't think there's any sound. 3%. Oh, spin again. Oh, lock in the price. Oh, I'm going to spin again. 4%. No. I'm going for the big ones. that's no good. Oh, is that something on Temu? Oh, 5%. All right, one more spin. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I lost 1%. No, I lock in the price. It puts in a coupon code. And all right, I can see that's kind of fun. I wonder what payment thing it works with. Let's see here. Oh, it integrates seamlessly with Membership Pro. Okay, so it works with Membership Pro. Okay. Now, I saw that there was a games thing here for Joomla, so let's see. Community quiz, web Sudoku, Hangman. That's Joomla 3. All right, these are all Joomla 3. Community quiz is J45. Geek puzzle. All right, it's only got 2. I don't know. I'm tempted. Let's do this. What's the reviews? Not mobile friendly. Ah, come on. Not mobile friendly. Really? You want to... let's do the demo here. Let's do the demo. Oh, it's just sliding puzzle here, right? All right. So... it's not working. Let's see here. Share this. Oh, here, let me just see. I've got shields up in Brave for this. Oh, there you go. Okay. And there's a rat. There we go. Yep. Uh-oh. This is the top. I guess fun enough, right? Is it always a rat? I wonder if you can... Select multiple images to show a random startup image. Oh. Set unlocked content. No extra plugins. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to play around with that. I'm going to play around with that. Why not? Puzzle Mania, sliding puzzles for your web page. It's paid download. Okay. Geek Puzzle. Wheel of Fortune. Paid download. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, let's see. What are we at here? 12:48. Let's see if we catch up to what's new here. Oh, yeah. I saw that CK came out with their own CAPTCHA while I was away. When did it come out? May 28th. Yeah, that's like I left. Oh, I don't know. When did I leave? May 20th. Yeah, it was the day I left. Easy setup. I should give it a try because I like CK stuff. I'm really enjoying the turnstile CAPTCHA, but ask your visitor to make a small calculation. Oh, hidden field check. This is a honeypot. No human will fill it. So if it's checked this spot. Oh, love the honeypot stuff. I'm going to leave that open and give that a check out. DJ Helpful Articles. When did that come out? May 24th. Created to boost user engagement, this intuitive tool enables readers to easily rate the usefulness of your articles with a single click. If website visitors find the content uninteresting or not helpful, they can leave comments for the site administrator offering detailed feedback. Oh, for the brave of heart, that is. Hey, tell me what you really think about my content. No, please don't tell me. The extensions background provides statistics in all related articles, giving you valuable insights and performance of your content. Let's see the demo. Helpful articles. Was this helpful article? Yes. Ah, I like that. No. Tell us why. Yes. No. Tell us why. Ah, you know what? For a free extension, that might be fun. TF Map custom field plugin allows you to add interactive maps on your website where any component where Joomla custom fields are supported. Fields are supported. It offers integration with OpenStreetMap. Plugin to add interactive maps on your website with any component where Joomla custom fields are supported. It offers integration. So this is a custom field from TechFry. All right. Or is it a custom field, or maybe it's just a, it says it's plugin, so. What else we got here? We're going to catch up. JX brand displays. Open a new tab. Lightweight free Joomla useful display brand logos to any Joomla website. It's fully responsive, fit any device. Let's go to the demo for that. You know, this is a tricky thing to, oh, that's nice. Oh, yeah, no, this is, I find this has been one of the trickier things to do in Joomla when someone say, oh, I want all these logos at the bottom. And then you've got a way to set it up. Of course, some of the logos are so tall and not wide, that gets challenging. But this, that could be a good solution. Okay, and so there's a Pro YouTube channel viewer. I don't know if we've seen this before. Demo. There we go. And this, I thought this looked like Bengali, and it is, because this guy is from Bangladesh. Displays YouTube channel videos at the Joomla website. Now, let's just see here. Yeah, so it opens it, and then you click, so it loads.
Hello বন্ধুরা, কেমন আছেন সবাই?
Nice. Imran says, Bob, you have to check the accident date in your About Us page. Font size. Blog article needs reduces. Where's your favicon? Come on, Imran. Imran's helping. Imran's being helpful. Let's see. UT article Power Joomla allows you to display articles from categories and subcategories. Let's look at that. Articles and categories, subcategories. Oh, okay. So we got some tabs there. Okay. Slider, content slider, carousel. So UT has added a bunch of things. UT articles. Let's just yes, Imran, you just checked Bob's page. Yeah, no, and I knew that he was talking about your site, Bjorn. see which one opens up here. Unite templates. Let's go to their page. Unite templates. Have we seen them before? But here's a company that is making templates and has a bunch of extensions for it. Okay. All right, let's see. MX Swiper, have we seen that? Look at all my tabs I'm going to go through later on. Release May 4. I bet you we've seen this. Oh, that was nice. Yeah. Showtime Simple Form, Logical Arts Vote, Nexi, AI Live Chat Support. I think we're getting into what we saw. I think we've seen this. AI can learn all about your website by crawling the website URL and creating a knowledge base of information. You can also add any support. Let's go to the demo. Oh, create a free account. Okay, pricing. Free. $5 a month. 10 projects, 10 websites, 5 team members. And so this is for developing it looks like it's for doing a language model for your website and having chat. All right. That is coming. That is definitely coming. A countdown. I gotta think that we've seen this. Yeah. Oh, I remember the colors. All right, there you go. Well, everybody, let's end up on this page here. What we're looking at today, GPTranslate. I will find out about how to set up the multi-language URLs. Ivor says, seems like Asteroid templates are developed again. Yeah, there's an active community supporting Asteroid. They are keeping it going. Yes, very much. All right. Well, everybody, who knew that I would become so excited today by a topic that I wasn't planning on talking about? I was going to get to it someday, but yeah. We'll hear more about that, and I'll be putting that on my sites. I mean, like, I have a site with 16,000 pages, my cybersalt.org site. I get that sorted out and start having content in multiple languages. I mean, basically 16,000 pages. If I get if I just add 10 languages, that's 10 extra languages, that's another 160,000 pages that is spiderable content by Google in different languages. And that's jokes and illustrations and things that I have on there. So that's pretty exciting. That is pretty exciting. Oh my goodness. It's just blowing my mind again already. All right. Well, let's see. Let's go back to here. Yeah, so Imran says impossible even for Google. I think not, but we'll see. Everybody, thanks for your support of this channel. I'm just going to tell you where things are at right now. I have 4,911 subscribers. So in a couple months, at this rate, I'm gonna hit 5,000. Also, on Monday is going to be Maintenance Monday number 300. I had all kinds of plans to have a bunch of new things in place for that, but I am just so busy catching up on things and keeping up on things. I'm not doing either. That I don't know what's going to happen. I actually thought about getting myself turned into a cartoon. I think I told you that, for thumbnails. And I'd like to do a new Maintenance Monday thumbnail format. But I don't know if it's going to happen before 300. I also have a video coming out on the Discover tool. That's important. Oh man, so much stuff to do. I was saying to my wife yesterday that I wish I could clone myself. But if you've ever watched the movie where it's not Bill Murray, what's his face, clones himself, it's probably not a good idea. All right, so time for me to cue up the sad music. Live stream is over. There we go. Everyone, again, thanks for your support of this channel. Thanks for hanging out with me on another Wednesday. I really enjoyed it. I really enjoy your comments. And stay tuned. We'll get more things up there. So, as usual, I hope that wherever this finds you, be it morning, afternoon, or tomorrow, that you are well. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless. Let's go to their page. All right. Well, everybody. All right. Support of this channel. I'm just going to tell